Assalamu alaikum friends. How are you? I hope you all will be absolutely good. I will tell you today that some information about ear. The ear help us hear. They also help in maintaining the balance of the body. The ears has three parts: outer ear and middle ear and inner ear. Outer ear, it is the part of ear that can be seen. It is funnel shaped and collects sound waves from the surroundings. And middle ear, sound waves pass from the outer ear to the middle ear. And care of ear, clean your ear with earbuds. And loud sounds can damage the cerebrum. So sounds away from loud. And now I am going to tell some ayah from the Holy Quran of Surah Mu'minun, Surah number 23, verse number 12 to 15. Allah says, وَلَقَدْ خَلَقْنَا الْإِنسَانَ مِنْ سُلَالَةٍ مِنْ تِينٍ, which means, and certainly did we create man an extract of clay. ثُمَّ جَعَلْنَاهُ نُطْفَةً فِي قَرَارٍ مَكِينٍ, which means then we placed as sperm drop in firm lodging. ثُمَّ خَلَقْنَا النُّطْفَةَ فَخَلَقْنَا الْعَلَقَةَ مُضْغَةً فَخَلَقْنَا الْمُضْغَةَ عِظَامًا فَكَسَوْنَا الْعِظَامَ لَحْمًا ثُمَّ أَنشَأْنَاهُ خَلْقًا آخَرَ فَتَبَارَكَ اللَّهُ أَحْسَنُ الْخَالِقِينَ. And then we made the sperm drop into clinging clot, and we made the clot into lump of flesh, and we made the lump from the lump bones, and we covered bones with flesh. Then we developed into another creatures. So blessed is Allah, the best of creatures. I hope that you will be understand what was I explaining you just now. I am ending this video, but before, I want to say that click the subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified about new videos. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.